Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're embarking on a gentle science quest, the dancing pepper and salt fireworks. If you love discovering how everyday materials can behave in completely unpredictable ways under the right conditions, well, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started.
Okay, let's dive into this. How exactly does a gentle touch trigger a literal explosion? I mean, it sounds like magic, right? Or maybe some kind of crazy special effect. But we're going to set up the mystery behind this dancing pepper phenomenon right now. We'll look at the cause and effect first before we pull back the curtain and reveal the microscopic mechanics that are actually making the whole shebang happen.
Here is the incredible outcome we're chasing today. Picture this. A shimmering pepper rainbow show explodes into action right before your eyes. You start with this incredibly simple, completely still bowl of water. But then, with just one specific, gentle interaction, that calm surface instantly turns into this frantic, dancing field of pepper. It's a visual trick that completely defies expectations, but as you'll see, it's deeply grounded in some seriously elegant science. So let's look at exactly how to recreate this.
Setting up your personal laboratory is a total breeze. First, you just need to gather a shallow dish, then add some warm water, generously sprinkle black pepper all across the surface, and prepare a single drop of dish soap. That's it. That is literally the entire inventory you need to become a fluid dynamics researcher today. But hold on, before we get to the really fun part, we got to talk about how we operate.
Safety first, folks, always. We treat this with the exact same rigor as a professional lab. Before executing the experiment, make sure to grab your protective goggles. You'll also want to ensure your workspace is entirely clear of distractions, because, focus is absolutely key when observing scientific reactions. Oh, and definitely plan to wash your hands thoroughly after the demo. All right, with the protocols crystal clear, we are ready to set off our fireworks.
All right, the shallow dish is ready, the pepper is just resting peacefully on top of the warm water, and your goggles are firmly on. Now, here is the exact physical action that kicks off the entire reaction. All you have to do is dip a single fingertip into that drop of dish soap we prepared, and then gently touch the surface of the water. Just a gentle touch. That's literally it. But that tiny, microscopic introduction of soap unleashes something massive. Let's look at the science operating behind the scenes.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is to understand the explosion, we actually have to zoom way down to the microscopic level and look at surface tension. This is defined as the way molecules behave and bond together at a liquid surface. Think of it like this. The water molecules at the very top of your dish are holding onto each other incredibly tightly, creating this invisible elastic skin right across the water. And that invisible, tightly bonded skin is exactly what allows our sprinkled pepper to float so securely on top.
So what actually happens when that soapy fingertip finally makes contact? Well, the soap acts as a massive disruptor. The exact moment it touches the water, the soap instantly lowers the surface tension. It effectively slices right through that invisible elastic skin holding the water molecules together. And because the tension is instantly broken right there in the center, the remaining tension at the edges of the dish pulls the surface water away, kind of like a snapped rubber band, and the pepper parts surge outward right along with it. That right there is your sudden explosion of motion.
So understanding how different additives change a fluid's fundamental behavior is absolutely crucial. We just saw how dish soap acts as a disruptor by lowering surface tension to create that rapid outward surge. But what if we introduce a totally different element, say a tiny amount of salt? Actually, adding salt gives us a completely different reaction. The salt doesn't just dissolve quietly, no, it brings ions into the mix, actively disrupting the current flow of the liquid. It creates this complex, shifting dance right in the middle of our demonstration.
Let's zoom out for a second and look at why this really matters to us. Because honestly, what you're witnessing in that shallow dish isn't just a neat visual trick to show off to your friends. You are watching, firsthand, how surface tension and dissolved ions steer the spark of motion in everyday fluids. These are the exact same invisible forces at play in the liquids moving all around us, constantly. We're talking everything from the water flowing in massive rivers to the highly complex fluids inside living ecosystems. The micromechanics in your little bowl directly mirror the macromechanics of the natural world.
And this brilliantly illustrates how real-world observation actually works. When you watch that pepper surge, you're conducting the exact same type of observation that happens in high-tech laboratories. Scientists observe these exact tiny forces to understand how our world works. Researchers study how molecules behave at a liquid surface and how different dissolved ions disrupt flows, all to unlock massive mysteries in environmental science, chemistry, and physics. Your dancing pepper is basically a direct window into genuine, high-level scientific observation.
So as you clean up your workspace and head to the sink to wash your hands, per our strict safety protocols of course, I want you to really think about the fluids you interact with every single day. Look at your morning coffee, or the rain sliding down your window pane, or even the creaks in your neighborhood. Where else are these invisible forces steering the spark of motion in the fluids around you? Keep your eyes open, focus learners, because the science is always dancing right in front of you.